In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix video underscore TDR underscore failure error nvlddmkm.sys in Windows 10 and 11. First thing you're going to do is you want to go here and open Google Chrome. Down here, you want to type in NVIDIA. So go to the official page and go to the drivers. So here is basically where you download the drivers. So you want to look up your graphics card on your computer. So if it's possible for you to open your graphics card, to open your computer and see the brand on your graphics card, so you can get this data to download the compatible driver. So for me, it's GeForce RTX 30 series and 3060, and here my operating system is Windows 11, and I'll just choose English. And once you click find, this will basically this will bring you to this website. So this is where you're gonna download the game ready driver. So if you're a creator, you could use the studio driver. This is better for OBS, it's better for like CapCut or DaVinci. But if you're a gamer, this is better for you. So download this one and go here and just click download. Now once this finishes download, I'm going to show you how to install it. Now once this finishes downloading, you want to click on the installer, and here you want to see the installer is very simple to install. You're going to click OK, and you're going to go and follow through the steps and just click next, and simply install it as is basically. So I'm just gonna show you a quick demonstration here. I'm not gonna go through the full installation because I already have it installed. So as you can see, you would just click agree and continue, and basically so on. So once you finish this installation, check if this fixes your issue. But if you're still having issues, now the second commands we would run is basically we go to CMD, right click, run as administrator, and then we're gonna go here and run some commands. So the first command here is basically ipconfig. So you're gonna write ipconfig /flush DNS, press enter and let this command load. So once this command finishes loading, now you want to write the second command, dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Press enter and let it load. And once it's done, now you want to run the last command, which is sfc /scan now. This will scan your system and it will make sure there's no errors or bugs. And once it's done, you can just close this down, restart your computer, and hopefully your issue is fixed.